clearly inside your head. They were very recognisable animals all over the world. The more you stare at these guys, though, the more quirky and funny they become. They do have quite a few funny physical traits about them. So what I'll do, I'll just go through a few of their traits afternoon. I might start with their tongue while they're eating, just to show that off a bit. So you can probably see. They are referred to as watchtowers on the summer. Obviously they've got that really great height advantage, but they've also got incredible, really